Hello students, today's topic is good personality. Good personality is segregated into three parts, that is grooming, body language and any kind of language. Grooming means to groom yourself for each and every occasion. Whenever we go out, we groom ourselves. It can be for any occasion or any parties or school, college. Grooming is segregated into two parts, that is personal and professional grooming. Personal grooming is that which we all do whenever we are at our residence or we go to the mall, to the party and all. And where professional grooming come, it includes the dress code or the uniform, like doctor and nurses are having their own uniform, traffic police officer, police uniform, even the cabin crews and the pilots have their own uniform. School students and the college students are having their own uniform, which is included in the professional grooming. If I talk about body language, first point is smile. If you're not smiling, your personality is like, I can give rating out of 100, it's 0. First point is smile. Then in body language includes how you stand, how you sit, how is your sitting posture, your gesture, your posture, everything, and any language. But this any language, it is not followed for the students because we belong to service industry and English is mandatory. But if I talk about the politicians, if politicians will speak English, 70% vote will be detected, because in India 70% people doesn't understand English properly. These three tools include, this three tool is a full package of good personality. If I talk about the professional grooming, so for the males we will start, and in males 25% makeup is included, clean shaved, and I belong to aviation background, so for that I'll tell you, even a tie has a definition. If a male is married, the tie should touch the belt. If he's unmarried, the tie should be 2 inches above the belt. When they start the career, the tie should be slim and blue color is mandatory, and the material should be silk. Clean shaved, spike or back combing. Cufflinks is mandatory to tie or to the tuck the cuffs. Watch should be half visible and should be outside. It should not be fully visible, or it should not be inside the shirt. And shoes should be like formal shoes, black shoes with lace and formal belt. Shirts color for going for the interview, it should be either pista green, blue, sky blue, not dark color for the first, second interview or third interview when you're starting the career. But if you are in the executive post after 1 year or 2 years, you can wear a dark color shirt. These grooming norms are followed from the Mumbai MNCs, all the multinational companies and the corporate offices. And if I start grooming for the girls, if I talk about the girls, the female, so hairstyle, we'll start with the hairstyle. There is French knot or a high pony for females, and 3-color eyeshadow, and shirt length is 3/4 length shirt. If anybody says that full sleeves for girls, it is formal, it is wrong. It is 3/4 length shirt and a slit is there. Scarf is mandatory, and the scarf color should be pink, pista green or any dark color like blue, royal blue and all. Bellies for girls, and either knee-length skirt or a trouser, and you are not supposed to carry the handkerchief because you're carrying a folder, not with your clutch or any of the handbag. And the folder colors is also like in corporate level, the folder colors are teak brown, blue and black. Not a plastic material should use for the interview, because if we start a career, we are not working in small town. If you want to work in corporate office or airlines or any of the multinational companies, these grooming norms are very important, because in 7 seconds it is decided you will be in the institute or company or you will be out the company. I sit in many of the interview as a psychologist and a groomer, and in 7 seconds what a person will do, only the person will knock the door. But knocking thrice it goes in a negative marking, and only we should knock twice, because always remember, one should be in someone's heart, not in mind. If you will be in the mind, it is very irritating. So small gestures, starting from the door and always take permission while going anywhere. It hardly matter every day you're visiting your HOD's office and all, but you should take permission. While sitting also, always take care that you're not dragging the chair, because dragging a chair, it creates noise and we should not drag the chair, which irritates. Always lift and then sit. Dragging itself is a word which is very bad. Never drag your career, never drag your life or any kind of relationship. So these are the points for interview skills and professional grooming. Thank you.